Shake. Lay down. Good girl. Hey guys, what's up? So welcome to a full day of eating video. So far, I just got a dog who wants to be in my lap. Here's just some oats. These are my overnight oats recipe. And this is actually 1.5 recipe because I am bulking, so I gotta get those calories up. Coffee, almond milk for coffee, and that is it so far. I'm gonna eat and caffeinate and wake up and see you in a bit. Alright, so it's currently about 10:30 and hi Carly. She always wants to say hi as soon as I don't lick the camera. Okay, stop. It's a miserable, like, cloudy, rainy day outside. You can't really tell. But I've just been scheduling or making client schedules. If you're ever wondering, like, how it is that online training works, I figured I'd kind of, like, give you a preview of how it goes. Alright, so I use an app. And Carly. So this is the calendar, and this is where I schedule all the workouts, and I can like keep track of all the workouts that were done and stuff like that. So, and I can communicate through the app, and I do schedules weekly, and so yeah, that's just kind of how I do things. But yeah, the workouts are kind of just check in. You got videos for each movement so you know what you're doing, that sort of thing. Anyways, that's kind of just like a small little preview of how online training works. It lets you like track everything. I guess this is kind of like a shameless plug for my online training, but no regrets. Anyways, obviously, Carly is ready to, like, do something else besides lay in bed. Carly, what are you doing? I'm going to be heading to the gym here pretty soon. I'm going to get about a few more schedules up, and then it's back in biceps day, so I'm pretty stoked about that. I won't be filming in the gym because that just stresses me out. Maybe another day. Alright, see you in a bit. I'm off to the gym now, and I'm going to have one of these Cliff Builder bars on the way. And then my biggest goal today is to drink a gallon of water. You know, I'm not doing too bad so far, but I haven't drinking this yet. I just poured this into there. But I'm really working on drinking more water and cutting way back on kombucha. Number one, it's expensive. I can't, you know, grasp how much I've actually spent buying kombucha, and I can't do it anymore. I can't justify it. So I'm using a kombucha bottle for my water. I don't know that there is any like psychological reason for it. I just like liquid out of glass containers more. Like, I'm more prone to drink something out of a glass container than a plastic container, and that's just something that I've realized. And it's just, yeah, because obviously it comes out of a plastic container, but I'm just drinking. Anyways, I'm going to the gym now. It's back in biceps, and I'm actually super excited for that. So I will see you at lunchtime. Alright, back from the gym. Successful workout. Now I'm really hungry, so I'm gonna get lunch started. Pretty simple. I've got some leftover ground beef here, and then I'm gonna do a couple eggs, potato. I'm gonna just, this is already cooked, so I'm just gonna kind of like chop it up and add it in with some zucchini. I'll probably put some Trader Joe's Green Goddess salad dressing on there, which this is just avocado, apple cider vinegar, green onion, lemon juice, chives, parsley, olive oil, basil, onion, garlic, sea salt, and black pepper. So really, really simple, no weird ingredients. let's get started. Lunch is done. Carly wants to eat it. Nope, stop it. Yeah, I'm just gonna work on this water consumption and then also some more work. So I'll probably see you at dinner. Nothing too exciting today. See you in a bit. So first off, I'm gonna give you a water update. Gotten down to here. I think I'm gonna succeed and get this whole gallon done today. We'll find out. It's dinner time. So first off, I'm gonna roast this huge cauliflower because it's starting to get flimsy and it's huge. That's what she said. Yeah, I don't want it to go to waste. This is from Imperfect Produce, the produce that I get delivered every week. And then I've got some chicken breasts that I'm gonna pan fry, and that will be dinner. And then I'll move on to dessert, and I'll show you what that is when I get there. But for now, I'm gonna get started on dinner. Alright, so got my chicken and red pepper sauce from Trader Joe's and my roasted cauliflower. I use garlic powder, smoked paprika, and on this I use cumin and garlic powder. And I'm excited to eat this because I am hungry. So I will see you at dessert. It's time for dessert. So for dessert today, I've got some carbs left because I didn't drink a bunch of kombucha. So I'm going for this pear, and then I'm going to make like a dip with chocolate powdered peanut butter and chocolate protein powder. Depending on how many carbs you have left, sometimes I'll just have these together, but I can afford to have some fruit dip. Obviously, like strawberries would be ideal, but those aren't exactly in season right now. So we have a pear that I got from Imperfect Produce, and I need to use it, so I'm gonna do that. To get started on this first, it's really easy. It's literally just equal parts of these and adding in some water until it hits the right consistency. I thought I was recording the process of me like making this dessert, but I wasn't apparently, but it's not that difficult, so I'll just kind of, you know, do a summary for you. This is the consistency you want for the chocolate dipping sauce for this. And then got the pears here. And this is where I'm gonna end this full day of eating because I'm already full, but I'm gonna put this down because I'm bulking and I want to hit these macros. Water check. This is where I'm at currently. Pretty confident that I am going to accomplish my goal today. I might be up all night peeing, but at least I'll be hydrated. Alright, so that's it. I'm gonna end this video, and thank you so much for watching. If this is helpful for you in any way, make sure to give it a thumbs up or leave a comment so I know to keep making more videos like this. I'm probably gonna do a physique update next Friday, so look out for that. And I've got a few more vlogs planned for next week, possibly full day of eating. If you think this is helpful, then I will do it again. So yeah, that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you next time.